Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what? We have some more spoilers for the spring Fabfitfun of 2020. Now I've already showed you the first 3 customizations. Now here's 2 more. Now if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription that is $49.99, so you're going to receive it every winter, spring, summer, and fall. This is a lifestyle box, so you're going to receive beauty products, skincare, stuff for your home, stuff for exercising. I mean, the list just goes on. So if you're interested in Fabfitfun, make sure you check out my link in the description below, because I also have a discount code for you for $10 off your first box. Customization is now open for select members only, starting today, February 2nd through February 5th. Now for everyone else, it's February 15th through February 18th. Now I'm going to briefly show you the first 3 customizations. Starting off with customization number 1, this is available to all subscribers. You'll be able to receive one of the next 5 items. From Summer and Rose, you have a tote bag. From Revive, the Light Therapy Face Treatment. From Cabana, this is the Diamond Woven Rug. And a bowl set of 3 from West Elm. Last in this category is from Alamis. This is the Peptide Night Recovering Cream Oil. And next category is customization number 2 for all subscribers. You will be receiving one of 6 items. From Calpac, you have the packing cubes. And from Tarte, you have the Tarte Teas Drink of H2O Hydrating Booster. And from Murad, you have the Rapid Collagen Infused Treatment. And from Shoshana, you have the Floral Umbrella. And from 111 Skin, you have Rose Gold Radiant Booster. And from Tarte, this is the Tarte Teas Pro Grow Highlight and Contouring Palette. For customization number 3, this is for all subscribers. You'll be able to select one of the next following 5 items. From Amber Scents, this is the Double Coin Necklace. From Gravity, you have the Gravity Weighted Face Mask. And from We, you have 8 face masks and 1 brush applicator. And from Cosmetic, this is the Pure C. And last, from Green Goo, this is a body scrub. Now this is what you've been waiting for, customization number 4, and for the select members only. This is a detangling brush. It's perfect for all hair types. The extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduces stress to the hair and scalp. This retails for $35. Or you can choose this imported jade body oil. It moisturizes and replenishes the skin with the 100% pure oil and vitamins. This retails for $68. Or your next option can be the Stone Cold Fox tea towels. These chai tea towels feature a white and blue striped design and are both absorbent and durable. And you get a set of 2 that retails for $38. And the last item in this category is from Aveda. This is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It instantly repairs and protects your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. And it retails for $30. Now this is customization number 5, and it's for select members only. This is the AG Hair Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner. If you're dealing with frizzy or dry hair, you're going to use this leave-in conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. This retails for $24. And then we have this from Skin Denovia, the Makeup Finishing Spray. Spritz the mist to keep your makeup looking fresh for 16 plus hours. It's lightweight and vegan and cruelty-free. It retails for $29. And then next you have a body wash. Turn your bath or shower into a wonderful scented cleaning experience. Super foaming bath syrup with an orange blossom and vanilla scent that retails for $28. And then you have the Cruiser Bluetooth wireless speaker featuring a simple control and dual pairing compatibility. The speaker allows you to play music wherever you are. And it retails for $24.99. And from Kayate London, you have the Flix Precision Tip Liquid Liner. This is easily to create a dramatic wings and kitten eyes with this pigmented liquid liner that retails for $19. And then we also have this dual salt and pepper meal. Twist and shake your way to prepare a perfectly seasoned dish with the flexible ceramic salt and pepper grinder. Now this retails for $21.95. Okay guys, so what items will you be selecting? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, Customization starts today for select members only. And if you're undecided between some of the items, you can add one of the options for a small fee while supplies last. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my spoilers or videos that I have for you. Alright guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first. Have a blessed day.